All right, everyone. This is your real estate queen, T.Gresh.Realty. I am showing you a townhome located in Kimberly Woods Drive. This exact location is 5423. This does feature 3 bedrooms, 1,369 square feet of space. All of the appliances do convey. They are updated, they are fresh, they are brand new. You get updated, brand new cabinetry, updated, brand new countertops. And then you also get this deep barnyard sink with stainless steel. Okay. Fresh flooring, new carpet has been updated. You have a fresh set of blinds right here. You also have a patio, and there's some privacy back there, so you get some greenery as well, with a storage shed over to the side. I don't know if you can see that or not. All right, this is going to be your eat-in space. This is an eat-in kitchen right here with a nice holiday surprise and gift for someone that may love to move in here. This is going to be your laundry room with your full-size washer and dryer hookups right there. Okay. Over here, you're going to have your pantry area for all your food essentials. Right here is going to be your half bath. All right. Located right there in that little cranny. Taking a walk around here, you're going to see that the lighting has all been updated. Every room in here comes with a ceiling fan as well. And here you can see that there is recessed lighting in the kitchen as well. So it's a lot of lighting that goes on in here. Also, you get 3 windows right here for plenty of natural light coming off of the front of the townhome. I'm going to pan around so you can see that this home also has a fireplace. So there's a lot of space in here. There's a lot you can do with situating your furniture, putting your TV up, hanging that up. So you do have options however you choose to delegate your furniture. And like I said, fresh carpet. So we're gonna go up the steps here. Just feel free to decorate however you like. Pretend this is your home, you're moving in. What would you do with this space, especially if you're coming out of an apartment, you all? What a blessing it will be to be in here. This is going to be considered your primary ensuite right here with the double windows. Also, this bathroom has been updated with fresh flooring, vanity, double vanity sinks as well, and cabinetry. And you do get a shower tub combo right there. The home does feature a walk-in closet as well, just so you can see. Okay. Right across the hall here, we're going to have a linen closet space. And then you also have your full bath. This is a tub shower combo. Here is bedroom number 2 with a ceiling fan. Plenty of natural light comes into this space. And there's a little nook right there in the window area, which I think is really cute. Then you have bedroom number 3. Again, another lot of natural light comes in here. You do get a ceiling fan as well with that bedroom as well. And like I said, all the lighting has been updated as well. Kitchen appliances convey, listed for under $300,000 at 1,369 square feet. This home was built in 2001 and it has been really well maintained. The HOA out here is about $180 a month. Okay, and everyone knows HOAs do cover a number of things in the community, and I can explain some of that to you if you'd like to give me a call. 980-428-2333. I'm just going to show you the outside of the premises, the perimeter. Here you do get a covered porch area, which I think is very nice. A lot of townhomes do not come with that option. So if it's raining outside, you're coming in, you have groceries, you get this covered stoop area. And then if you want to lounge outside, you have this nice breezeway, and you do get your own covered porch area, which is really nice. For the holidays, just imagine yourself decorating these bushes for Christmas time, you all. Okay? So, again, this is your real estate queen. I hope you have enjoyed this tour with yours truly. And I'll give you a little bit more information. The great thing about getting something that's already built is you don't have to worry about any delays when it comes to construction. A lot of times people are very antsy when it comes to moving because they have a lease that they're trying to get out of, and they've already put in their notice, and then there are so many construction delays that does take place. I'm just going to let you know that the roof on this dwelling was installed in 2001. um, the heat in here was replaced 4 years ago. The cooling source was also replaced 4 years ago. That's the HVAC. It does have electricity in here. The water supply is with the city. Okay, so if you're wondering about that, I just wanted to point those items out to you. This this HOA is actually operated by Cedar Management. Again, that's Cedar Management HOA. If you have any questions, and you all, thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you all stay blessed.